What if I told you two people enter the stock market with the same money? One checks the market every minute. The other forgets about it for months. 5 years later, one is stressed and confused. The other is quietly rich. So what made the difference? Trading versus investing. Let's start with trading. Trading is all about short-term profits. You buy and sell stocks within minutes, hours, or days. The goal is simple: catch small price movements and make quick money. Traders depend on charts, patterns, indicators like RSI and MACD. But here's the truth: trading is fast, very fast. One wrong move, one emotional decision, and your money can disappear in seconds. It's not just skill, it's discipline, speed, and control over your emotions. Now, let's talk about investing. Investing is a long-term game. Instead of chasing quick profits, you focus on strong companies and hold them for years. You don't panic when the market falls. You trust time and growth. Because real wealth is created through compounding. Money grows, then that growth starts generating more growth, and slowly, it turns small investments into big wealth. So what's the real difference? Trading is short-term, investing is long-term. Trading is high risk, investing is comparatively safer. Trading needs constant attention, investing needs patience. Trading is like trying to beat the market. Investing is like growing with the market. Trading is a sprint. Investing is a marathon. One gives fast results. The other gives lasting wealth. So don't just follow trends. Understand yourself. Because in the stock market, the biggest battle is not with the market. It's with your own mind. If you learned something new today, make sure to follow for more real financial content. And remember, don't just try to earn money, learn how to build it.